Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can log into your Tesco Bank credit card online account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type www.tescobank.com. After you press the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of Tesco Bank. Now on this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the login button. Click on it. Then you'll be redirected to a new login page where you'll have to firstly enter your username. If in case you've forgotten your username, you can simply click on the I've forgotten my username link and follow through the process. But if not, simply click on the login button. After that, you'll have to enter your Tesco Bank credit card online account password. After entering your password, all you'll have to do is click on the sign in button and you'll be successfully logged into your Tesco Bank credit card online account. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.